to my channel, Stocks and Stories. I'm going to analyze two stocks here in this video, GDay and Alibaba. I'm going to go over the support, the resistance. You can go back to this video for pretty much long time because I'm gonna go back in the history and draw all support resistance. Make sure to follow my YouTube channel and check this beautiful list, trading stocks for beginner, how to make money trading. I made a lot of useful educational videos, how to learn how to analyze stocks, how to trade. So I highly suggest and advise you to go to this list. I'm gonna put the playlist link in the description box. Now, excuse me. Let's go back to the charts and draw some support resistance. Here's the legal disclaimer before I start. I'm not a financial advisor or a stock broker. So, which stock you would like me to start with? I'm going to go over Alibaba first. So I'm gonna click this icon, which will maximize the whole picture for us to check the stock history and performance in the previous pretty much 3 to 4 years. So the stock corrected or dropped from 300 all the way down to 66. But it's still strong in my opinion, because before that it was in the 10 in the 65. So it's still holding its ground. It didn't make a new low. It held the recent IBO, a 2015 IBO low, as you can see here. It bounced up and it's trying to recover from this big drop. We have seen a recent strong move in the upside. Over the great earning, it made surprise. It recorded a surprise in the earning announcement, and it went above like big percentage move, that 70% in 30 days. That's a hell of a move. But so what is the stock going to do in the future? I'm gonna go and draw some lines for you guys to check it out and get back to the stock. So whenever these lines are valid for a long time. So now, as you can see here, the stock is just on the $140 mark, and and currently it serves as a resistance. If the stock breaks this level to the upside and moved a bit away from the 140, it will serve as support. So this video, you can view this video as a referential. Whenever you want to check the support resistance, you go back to this video and check these lines. So we have here 140, and previously we had a resistance on the 120. So if the stock failed to break the 140, surely it's going back to the 120 and test this level. So pay attention to these levels, because this is what I expect the stock will be moving around. We have also a resistance at the 180. We have also resistance in the 230 and the 200. Surely it will face a struggle in the 200 price level mark. So as we can see here, we have a couple of lines the stock are expected to move between. This is like an a free space for the stock. If it clears the 140, surely it's going to the hit 180. The duration, I cannot expect the duration, but it will goes there for sure, because as we can see here, the stock moves freely and aggressively between the 180 and 140. The indicators, the MACD just crossed and gave a bearish signal, and is expected to go down a bit to the 120 if it fails to break the 140. So as I said, this video is referential and educational. You can go wherever you want, whenever you want, to go back to check out this video to see these levels which will serve as a support and resistance. Now I'm done with Alibaba, and let's go back. Let's go again to the to JD stock. So here's JD, and it has a strong move in the upside previously back in September 24, and it's also suffered from a very drop correction for pretty long time from 2021, and clearly it found its support level and its ground in the $20 or $21 mark level. These are the levels that stock bounced off. So the stock has, let's see their resistance, its resistance and support. It has difficulty. It had difficulty, and it still have difficulties in the $48 mark, also the 52, and we have also the 67. So these levels are very clear support and resistance lines for the stock. It was having difficulty passing the 33 price level, or yes, 32.50. Here support, here resistance, here support, here support. So the stock is freely moving between these levels. We have a bit of resistance here, and it serves right now, not yet serving as a support, but it surely will have difficulties holding these levels, because it did not close way above it. For the resistance to be sure, we want to be sure that the resistance got cleared. If the stock did not close way far from the resistance line, we should feel suspicious about this line, because it might be broken again. So we hear the stock here right now, as I'm speaking, as I'm recording this video, did close at 43.92. So the stock between these two levels, we just cleared the 42, and hopefully it will hold this level. If it did not hold this level, let's check this out. When the stock could not hold this level, the 42, it went back all the way to 32. Almost $10 move. So be careful in this range, because the stock moves aggressively and freely between these two levels. What about the financial indicator? MACD right now is crossing into the upside, giving a bullish signal, which is a great thing to see. Let me recap the video. We have 21.50, 32.50, and $42 and 48 and 62.67. Make sure to be clear, to be careful in this area between the 62 and the 48, and between the 32 and 42. These are ranges which the stock will move aggressively and freely. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to follow my YouTube channel. I always post educational, great content about trading stocks and nature in Saudi Arabia. And sometimes I play games and post these videos too. Thank you, and bye-bye.